Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Now today I'll be making some maple pecan scones that's gonna go perfect with the lower temperatures that we're having right now. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
First, we're going to start by combining all of the dry ingredients. Now this recipe calls for very cold butter, but it's kind of hard to break butter down into dry ingredients. So I learned this trick from a chef, of course, that you can use a cheese grater to break the butter down and then add it to your dry ingredients, and that will help it to mix properly. Now it's time to get all of the wet ingredients together. I've added an egg to heavy cream. I'll add that into my dry ingredients and mix until well combined. I'm adding the milk mixture in 3 parts so that it's able to mix evenly with the flour. The pecans are added, so now I'm going to gently fold them into the dough mixture. The dough has been added to my floured surface. I'll knead it together, then roll it out to about 1.5-inch thickness. For some reason, whenever I use a rolling pin, that finger always sticks out. I never know why. I'll cut the dough into 12 pieces, place them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, then place in the refrigerator for 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes and the dough is out of the refrigerator. I'll brush the tops with a little bit of heavy cream, sprinkle with some brown sugar, and place in a preheated 375-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. for the glaze, I'll whisk together heavy cream, brown sugar, and maple syrup. The scones are out of the oven. Time to top them off with that maple glaze, then finish them with some brown sugar and crushed pecans. Pair this with your favorite fall drink and you won't be disappointed. The full recipe will be in the description box below, and as always, thanks for the support. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Friday when I post. Bye!